During our coaches clinics this year, one of the topics that's come up quite often is around consistency at the plate. Whether it's with our 8, 9, and 10-year-olds all the way up to our elite players, our coaches are always trying to help their athletes be more consistent. One of the topics that we discussed often this year in network training was built around trying to increase the consistency. The topic is around getting on plane. Now, when we say that as coaches and we're talking to young hitters, it can sound fairly complicated, but it really isn't. So let me show you quickly the graphs that we use with our athletes to help them comprehend this idea of getting on plane and being more consistent as a hitter. First, let's just imagine a pitch comes in. In this example, we're coming in at completely flat, a flat plane. And that's not truly the case. Usually a pitch is gonna have a little bit of a drop to it, somewhere between 6 to 10 degrees. But for display purposes, let's look at this top one. Here at 0 degrees, probably the two most common problems that we see is a hitter may come into the zone too sharp and then may exit the zone too steep. By doing that, we see, if this is the pitch coming in, that this hitter is actually only crossing the plane of the pitch twice. That's not gonna lead to a very consistent outcome. We still might get a hit, we still might get a production every once in a while, but consistency we'll be fighting for all year. Another problem that we see is that a hitter may drop their hands, making that kind of the first move in their swing, and then they're really fighting to get on plane throughout the rest of the swing. Again, only crossing a couple times and leading to inconsistent outcomes. One of the tools that we use is ZEP, and ZEP allows us to measure these angles while the hitter is practicing, taking swings. And ZEP here would tell us that this angle would be coming in at a 45 degree and going out at a 45 degree. Or here on the flat, we might be coming in at a 0, a drop there, and then fighting our way up to, let's say, a 20 degree. What we're trying to do is we're trying to produce a swing that matches the plane of the pitch for a long period of time. This will lead to more consistency by getting on plane. When we look at the measurements for our young hitters and our old hitters, we know that that's gonna be around a 25 coming in and around a 10 degree going out. This topic of getting on plane has really helped our hitters during their network training to see benefits of getting on plane and being a more consistent offensive player.